he says you don't wait around.
Hey,
He says when you get there, you drop them off and you leave. There's no more getting out and waiting around.
No, but everybody's coming back from July 4th.
Oh, it stops. Yeah. Yeah.
I fly out of Burbank.
Yeah, me too, whenever possible.
And that's on my fee schedule.
We got
$300
11
an hour,
minutes.
I review your case, and I leave out of Burbank Airport.
Well, that fan feels pretty good.
Very particular.
I'm going to an E Heart, but I just moved to.
Hello? Hi.
Too much.
Why?
Too much vibration.
Oh, okay. So I think Colleen's coming up. Just so you know, her sister's here now. She wants to drop
Yeah.
Sam off at the airport. And then coming
Then
here.
the court figures came out.
Right now. All right, goodbye. We're here.
I had one of those and the first time I thought, boy, this is gonna be cool.
Oh, yeah.
I have to get this and I tuned up and tuned everything absolute. I sat down and started to play some chords.